Hello everyone, welcome to the first video from the Olympiad series. So Olympiad, like ASET, is another competitive exam that takes place across various subjects: English, math, science, computer science, social, everything. So I'm going to do a few questions from the grade 6 IMO, as it's called. The Math Olympiad is referred to as IMO, and there are various sections in the Math Olympiad paper which include logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics. So I'm just going to do questions that come from the math section. So these I've picked up 4 questions from the mathematical reasoning and the everyday mathematics section of the grade 6 Olympiad paper. So let us straight away get to the question. So these are all grade 6 questions. The one on the top left, it shows the temperature of a place over a period of 6 consecutive hours, and it asks us to calculate the difference between the highest and the lowest temperature. First, as far as integers are concerned, highest is the biggest number in the positive side. So highest temperature here is clearly 20. It's all in degree centigrade. The lowest should be the biggest number in negative. So minus 8 and minus 1 are the only two negative temperatures. So clearly this is the least. We have to get the difference between them. It means it's a subtraction. So it is essentially 20 minus 8, which gets translated to 20 plus 8, which is 28. If you look at it, this is the number line, 0 is here. 20 will be 20 more than 0 on this side, somewhere here. 8 is negative, so the left of the number line, the left of 0 on the number line is negative number. So minus 8 should be somewhere here. So if you think of it, 0 to 20 is a 20. 0 to 8 on this side is an 8. 20 plus 8, 28 should be the answer. Coming to the sum on the top right, we have a multiplication of 3 decimals given. 72.432 into 461.2 into 0.0034 is same as. Now if you look at it, all the options have the same number patterns. The decimal places are shifted. So this is centered around the idea that when you multiply decimals or numbers involving decimals, the resultant will have as many decimal places as the involved numbers that are being multiplied. So here we have 3.432. Here we have just 1. Here we have 0.0034. So the number of digits after the decimal I am counting. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, totally 8, which means the resultant should have 8 decimal places. So here, let us see which combination gives us 8. Can be in any order. So 4 here, 3, 7 plus 1. This is 8. Here 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. So no, this is not it. 4. Here there is no decimal. Instead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 11. 4 plus 7, 11. But of the 11, these 4 are gone, right? This makes up for, if this has to become some other place is pushed, here 4, but here it's gone back more places, 5 more. So 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 11. So this is not it. Here 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clearly this is also not it. This one is the right answer. Coming to the question on the bottom left. In the given figure, the ratio of the shaded part to the unshaded part. Now, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a 4 cross 4 grid. So, totally 16 squares or checked boxes that you can see. Let's see how many are shaded. Of the 16, 2 triangles can make up for 1 square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 triangles make up for 3 whole checks plus this is 1. So 4 of these squares are shaded. Of the 16, if 4 are shaded, obviously the remaining 12, 16 minus 4 are unshaded. We need the ratio of shaded to unshaded, that is 4 by 12, which simplifies to 1:3. Now the last question on the bottom right. Which of the following number lines represents the expression? It is a 0 plus minus 3 plus 10. Now if you look at it, the first one 0 is here. The arrow from 0 goes 3 units to the left and then you have to add a 10. So because it finishes at minus 3, from minus 3 it goes all the way to 7. 3 here, 7 here makes up for 10. So it goes to the left and adds. This seems correct, but let us check the other options. From 0 it goes 3 to the right and again from there another 7. So this is just 3 plus 7 giving us 10. Whereas the original 10 minus 3 should give us a 7. Which is correct here. Ultimately you will take only this portion here because this arrow on the left and then this. So the portion minusing that, the only one from here to here only should be taken. For C, 0 to 6 is a 6. That's all. Obviously, the result 6 does not match with the original 7. Here, from minus 3 to 3, from minus 3 to 0 is a 3. From 0 to 3 is another 3. And from 3 to 7 is a 4. So again, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. But what we need is a 7. So clearly these 3 are wrong. Part A is the correct representation for this particular expression. I hope that was clear. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.